Sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.